Alright, I'm back. Test the audio. Sounds good. Alright. Um, so I forgot exactly where I left off. I didn't look before I started the stream. I wrote a plan here, okay. Use test minute data. Assume start at the open since that's index 0 and 1. Yep. Have a variable for start time. Okay. I don't think I'm here yet, am I? I guess I could say use test data, yeah. Because I am sending at least, um, I'm at least sending, hold on one second. The, I'm at least sending some JSON data through. So, let me get this to run. I'm on a different computer, so I'm going to see what's going on with that. Hopefully this isn't too distracting. I have GameStop, price in real time updated on the screen just for fun. And, some big news with it, or not big news, but some news with it lately. So, kind of interesting. Uh, I was using Git Bash. There was some update to VS Code where every time you run a command, let me see, is it just? Yeah, it's every time you run a command, it like pauses. And this was happening to me on multiple computers, so I don't think it's any specific setup on a computer. So for now, until that's resolved, or until I figure out how to fix it, um, I'll be using probably be using command prompt or PowerShell, but probably just the command prompt. So let me open up a one of these. I don't know if I have everything I need installed on this environment. Let's see. By running Python, WebSocket server. Oh, just guesses. And then Python, WebSockets client. So we should receive that every second. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's where I left off last time. I don't have any data right now because I'm on this other computer, but let me pull this in. Uh, minute data. I don't need a daily data folder because um I don't need a daily data folder because I'm not gonna be using that right now, but I'll just put it in there anyways, and then temp data. So there is that. Okay, let me grab minute data on the other screen. I believe I have it somewhere. What was I using? The 20th? May 20th? There was a certain stock I was gonna test with that date, but don't really need to. Was it May 20th? Yeah, it's May 20th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back 5 days. Wait, is this minute data? Copy. Minute data. Let's just do this. Oh wow, that's really fast. Alright, cool. Um, and then, oh yeah, I have the date right here. So, first thing I want to do is, before I get too much further, I'm gonna grab some coffee and I'll be right back. Okay, I was gone way longer than I anticipated. I just had to have a conversation really quick, but anyways, we're back. Let's see. Do I have a formatter on here? Oh, I do. All right. What do I want to do now? Okay, let's first see if we can load data. Is that a thing right now? So if I run this again, is it gonna... Wait, did it already create temp data? No. Is it gonna create the temp data? Yeah, I think so. Or no? Yes? No? Do I not have that running? Hmm. That's what this does. Never mind. Okay. So let's do that. Um, and just see, I don't remember even what this gives us back. I could look through the code and try to figure it out, or I could just log it out and not send it through a server. Let's just see what happens here. I think it's like the whole, actually, I don't know. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay, so it's everything. Right, it's the array of arrays. Okay. Minute data. So what about minute data 0? By the way, does this zip thing take a long time? If this takes a long time, um, for testing purposes, I will skip it, but I don't think this is the part that takes a while. Unzipping, and then finished unzipping. Let's see how long that takes. Oh, that's instant. Okay, I don't even need to log that out. In case I forget how fast that is, I'll leave that in there. Alright, try that again. So 0, actually I want to do this. I'm assuming 0 would be fine, but I just want to see length of minute data 0 and 1 and overall. This should be 390 or 389. This should be whatever, 7,000 or something, or 3,000, I don't know. And then this should be just the data. So let's see. All right, let's see. 0, 0, and 1. Hmm. Okay. It's not that long. But I missed the log of the lengths because the other stuff was, I should have just put those afterwards, but that's fine. I'll just comment it out now that I know it's working. Interesting. Wow, it's so much less the second minute. Wow. What about minute 3? That's actually a little bit surprising. It's not really. I think a lot of stocks they'll trade right on the open, and there's a lot of stocks that don't trade every tick. I guess that's what's happening. I don't know. That is kind of surprising still. Let me go like the first 10. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. First 10. Okay. Wow, it's just the first. There's only about 3,500 stocks that trade actively, apparently. Well, not 100% guaranteed, but first 10 minutes, you'd think that would give you that information. So, all right. Let's just leave that for now. Let's remove this again. And minute data. How does it doing this? Oh, it's a global. Okay. Yeah, and I remember last time I was saying, global's fine for what I'm creating here. Just a mock server that is should be fine. Um, I think this GameStop thing is expected. It was down to $32, now it's back to 37, or it was almost that. I would think it would ramp up right before this live streaming event happening soon. So it seemed like, I mean, you never know what's going to happen, but it did seem like a very good opportunity if you are a dip buyer to do that. Obviously, it's too late now. Well, that's not necessarily true. I meant short term dip buy. I mean, in the future, who knows what'll happen. Alright, let's see. Python. I don't remember why I'm doing this again. Oh. So you really need something there. Interesting. I think there really is no reason to run this on the second. I think I'm just going to get rid of this, to be honest. And just do this. Um, yeah. What is this formatted time? Oh, right. It doesn't matter. I probably should have that, actually. I'll throw the formatted time at the beginning as a debug thing instead of test. Formatted time. And then connect this guy. Cool. Alright, and now let's do a counter. Should I make that global too? I need basically an index. Execute on the second. Yeah, should I? Sure, why not? Let's just go crazy with global variables. Minute index equals 0, global minute index. I'll throw minute index on, so at the beginning, minute index. And we want to increase it every minute, so we're gonna just add 1 to it. That will actually be initialized to the start time. Let me think. For now, let's just add 1. I think this will work. I have no idea. It's kind of interesting. It doesn't start until someone connects. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I guess it doesn't really matter. Alright. Now we need some sort of a start time. Did I already say that? Yeah. So I have a start time, yeah. Start time equals, I'll just say, date time. Is there a reason I want to make this a date time? Return the time part. I don't think so. Start at market open for now. Um, what is this? Okay. Is it saying no globals? But no assignment is done, right? Actually, what does it say for minute index? Global statement, right? Okay. So start time, let me think about that. I just want minutes past this, so I just need the difference. Given a string like this, how do I find difference between 2 times? No, 2 strings. Strings in the format below. Difference in minutes. In minutes between the 2 times. 9. Let's just say Python, even though it usually defaults to that. Is there a way to define a time? I could say with date. I could do with the date, but let's just say without date in Python using a function instead of a string, similar to time. I see. Interesting. Not sure what I like better. It's reasons for both. It's good to know, though. I'm gonna go with this. I'll just use a function for now. I'll just add it to this file for now. Two spaces, two blank lines, two blank lines. Cool. Format. Time one, time two. Define the format, parse, calculate, convert. Whoa. I'll do that. Let's do that. It's clear. Okay. I'm surprised there's no other way to find the difference in minutes. A little bit surprising to me. You gotta do seconds and then divide by 60? Okay. Um, let's see. I mean, maybe there's another way and it's just telling me that, but I don't know. I would think for something that simple, probably that's the way. What's this minute index before assignment? Okay, whatever. So let's say the start time is this. Um, let's just throw this up here. Mark it open. Time is that. So this should give me 0. Print. What is the function called? Time difference in minutes. Get rid of this stuff. Time difference in minutes. Start time. Market. Open timestamp? Do I have that? Oh. Hmm. It's true. It's a good point. How about just using PD timestamp? Do you have to do that? I find that hard to believe, really. There is no way without dividing by 60. I did believe it for basic Python, but the pandas library too? Yeah. Okay. Maybe that's was a thing with the without pandas. Anyways. Let's see. Start time. Let's just get rid of that for now. Grab this. Grab that. Start time, market open timestamp. I'll leave this in here for now. But let's use this. Difference in minutes, time difference. So let's just go time 1, time 2. What's going on with this? That's crazy. Alright. Ah, what's going on? Wrong one. Unsupported operand. Unsupported operand types for daytime time and daytime time. Oh, okay. Daytime time and daytime time. Really? Hmm. Okay. So you do have to do that, huh? Alright. Is that what it was doing before? I don't know. It's interesting. Can only concatenate string. Oh, duh. Wait. What? Oh, right. Oh, interesting. Oh, I'm still looking for the string. Oh, let me see something really quick. Print start time minus. So this doesn't work, huh? Interesting. Okay. You know what? Let's just go with this. I'll figure out the details later. I know this will work, so let's just do this. We're gonna open time string and start time string. A little bit unnecessary, but let's do it. Okay. 0. That's correct. And if I do 31, 1, and let's go 10, should be 61. No. What? That is not correct. 61. Does that have anything to do with the fact this could be backwards? Maybe. 59. That's not right either. So 1031 and 930. Interesting. Hmm. If I switch this back to 930, and I still get 0, I should, obviously. It's the same thing, but in reverse. Do I still get 1 here? 59. Hmm. Okay. Let's just skip pandas, so I don't understand it. And go with what I had originally. I guess just format all of this. There we go. -1. So let's do the other way. This is crazy. I'm having this much trouble with it. Alright, 1. And then 0. And then 60. And 61. Good. Alright. Looks good. So let's start at 930 though. Perfect. Looks great. Um, and then minute index will be set based on this. So that would be here. Print minute index. Let's make sure it's an int. Zero. Let me double check now that I have the int, make sure it's still working fine. Cool. Oops. If minute index less than 0 or minute index greater than 390, print not a valid start time and sys.exit. See if that works. Let's go 1600. So 1500 should be fine. 1600 will be, I believe, too much. 389. Yeah. But 1559 is fine. Cool. Alright, 09, 30. Sys exit. Print minute index. Alright, now minute index is set. And let's do bring this back. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we need to stop it at the end of the day. So if minute index greater than 389, then what do we do here? Just print end of day and just exit, maybe? I don't know. Sure. Then we need to, what do we want to do here? Go to 1589. So that, I mean, oops, 59. So this is not, I'm treating seconds as minutes right now, but for testing. Yeah. End of day. Actually, let's send that string. I don't know what actually happens, but I'm just gonna say WebSocket send. End of day. Just for now. Okay, you get that one, and then it's done. Oh, it doesn't do that, right? Why doesn't it do that, actually? Connection gets closed before that, I guess. Eh. Figure that out later. Don't want to mess with that right now. Okay. So every minute's a second. I don't want that to happen. So if it starts on the minute, after 60 seconds, it goes to the next. Yeah. So let's just have a second index. I don't know, and I don't want to think about it right now. Can we have... Here, let me just try this. Second index equals 0. Let's see, minute index plus equals 1. Second index plus 1. Print second index. So right now they're just going at the same rate, which is not correct, but it's fine. Oops, I don't want to start end of day. I want to start. Let's leave that so I can test with it, but let's start at 09, 30. Oops, 30. So this should be logging. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that does work. That's good. So minute data, I don't want minute index and start time. Yeah, this could be global. That's fine. Alright, second index is 0. And then, ugh. Minute index, second index. let's do that. And then, um, don't need that. Let me think about this. I'm probably gonna stop in a minute and tune into this stream and just see what happens, just for fun. Let's see, minute index, second index, and then every 60 seconds it resets. So if, I don't know, if second index, what is this formatting, dude? I gotta fix this. It's not lining up with my using spaces too. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna stop there, but basically I just have an if statement if second index greater than, I don't know, 59, then increase this, always increase this, something like that. Anyways, I'll leave it there and come back after I check this stream out. Thanks for watching.